The company may be small, but a business website is no longer optionally available in case you serve an area customer base, and have no intentions of offering your services or products online. Allow me to share 5 key elements every business website should obtain. 1. An awesome homepage. Your virtual reality homepage is the first impression offer the online world about your business. It will evidently communicate your firm's brand image through interesting visuals and copy, along with what your business truly does, who it provides, why it exists, why a buyer should care. 2. Easy to use. Whether your navigation menu expands across the top of your site or in a sidebar, it must be easy for site visitors to find, and should include logical categories that make it simple for site users to find the information they seek. 3. Search features. Include a search box feature in addition to your site routing menu so customers can type keywords or terms to obtain the information they need when the navigation menu doesn't meet their needs. 4. Human support. Regardless of the marketing benefits that a site offers small businesses and online customers, there are times when customers want to hook up with a runner. 5. FAQ page. The more you build relationships customers online and off, the greater likely to sense patterns in the types of information customers seek, and the questions that arise in terms of your products or services. Provide a page of frequently asked questions and their answers on your site to really succeed for customers to find the detailed information they need. Incorporate these 5 important website elements into the site to build an online occurrence that brings customers straight to your business, no matter where they're located.